If you are battling with white hair and you don't know what to use to darken your hair or hair breakage, and also you are losing your edges, then stick around. I'm going to share with you a recipe that you're going to use to give you a fuller, dark and longer hair. This recipe is very simple and easy to make. So we're going to be making use of this Nescafe coffee and two other amazing kitchen ingredients that you never knew of. Okay, so stick around, do not go anywhere. Our first ingredient is tomatoes. Like, really, who would have thought? Do you know that tomato helps to protect the scalp from damage caused by free radicals, and it is so enriched with vitamin A and C, which actually helps to strengthen the hair follicles and add shine? Yes, tomatoes. And it has natural acidity, which may actually help to balance pH and reduce excess dandruff and excess oil on your scalp. So tomatoes is a very potent ingredient to use on your hair, just in case you don't know right now, but it's how you are going to use it. So I'm going to be using this my manual hand blender to blend it, because my electric blender is faulty. So I'm going to be making use of this thing, to extract the tomato juice out of the tomatoes. So this is what we've got after grinding the tomato. So the next thing I'm going to do is to use my filter to sieve out the tomato water and dispose the other residues, because if I use it like this directly, I'm going to have little tomato patches and residues on my hair, which is not really going to be nice. Okay, so this is me sieving it out right now. After sieving it out, this is what we have. You can see now we have a clean tomato juice that we can use on our hair. No residues, no little tomato particles out of it. This is the remaining one that we've got, been able to really squeeze and suck out all the tomato juice. So right now I'm gonna be adding coffee. So why am I actually adding coffee to this mixture? So caffeine, which is coffee, stimulates blood flow to the scalp and it helps to promote hair growth, and it can also darken the hair slightly using, like, when you use it regularly, especially when you have like an early stage of gray hairs, and it gives this exfoliating effect. It helps to exfoliate these cells from the scalp and supporting a healthy growth. So I'm going to be adding just one sachet of my Nescafe coffee to my mixture, because of course my mixture is not so much, so I'm going to be using just one sachet of Nescafe coffee. The next ingredient is coconut oil. Coconut oil has inflammatory properties and it actually helps to get rid of dandruff, and it actually also helps to deeply moisturize your scalp. So the using coconut oil will actually help to deliver the nutrients from the tomatoes and the coffee to your scalp effectively. So these are the three ingredients that you actually need to use to boost hair growth, to stop breakage, and also help to give you that shiny, smooth and lovely hair. This will also help to darken your hair too as well, but not permanently anyway. You have to use it consistently to actually see that dark hair that you want. Thank you so much guys for stopping. Please wait to come to the comment section and tell me where you're watching this video from, and do well to give this video a like, comment and share. And until then, I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys, don't forget to try out this recipe.